Hello, my name is Anne from Play Pause Be, and today we're going to introduce you to a life hack that might change your life and the way you relate with everyone on a day-to-day basis. Have you ever thought about how your posture reflects on your relationships with others and with yourself? Are you aware of the posture with which you move through your everyday life? When we go to yoga class, we are focused on our position and how we invite a more intentional and present energy. But then we walk out of the yoga room or out of the class and we totally forget about it. How do we spend our day-to-day life? Most of us, we are just sitting like this, on the phone, on the computer, and constantly in this hunched over position. We call it the hunchback. You're kind of like rounding in the upper back and your neck sticks out. Have you ever thought on how that affects your psyche? Because imagine, you can just even do it for yourself at home. Take a moment and open your chest and put yourself very open. And then take that closed off position. How does that relate or how does that affect the way you feel? Many times we try to change our inner world and how we feel by trying to control things around us. But this simple thing, just changing your position, can totally change the way you feel right now in this moment. Because constantly our body is picking up signals from the environment that is telling us how we feel, making sure we are safe, making sure we are good. It's constantly signaling information, and actually there is more information coming from your body to your mind than the other way around. So instead of making your well-being a very mental practice, actually make it a very physical practice where you start to invite those things that you relate to well-being. So you feeling confident, having that open position and saying, yes, day, here we go. Yes, yoga practice. Yes, whatever challenge or whatever thing comes on your path, you face it with openness. Instead of waiting for something to happen for you to feel confident, you bring confidence into your body. You smile and you are signaling already to your mind, and therefore you are totally shifting the way you engage with life. So next time you find yourself here, just take a moment every day, every hour, check in. Okay, shoulders back, chest open, and calling in confidence. And this way, little by little, your confidence will change the way you relate with yourself in a more confident way and with the others around you in the same way. Thank you so much, and let us know how it goes. We hope it can make a change for all of you.